haven't been working today because I've had my friend here from Devon. We used to work together, and Helen's got a shop she's going to tell you about, and she's also going to announce next week's Stock Lottery prize. Take it away, Helen.
Hi, I'm Helen, and I make sea glass and semi-precious stone jewellery, which you can find on my Facebook page, Treasures of Exmoor. And it's all handmade, and I use nice sea glass that I collect off the beach. And here's my Facebook page, here, Treasures of Exmoor, handmade jewellery from sea glass and semi-precious stones. Anyway, moving on, here's next week's Dog Lottery prize, which is this wonderful calendar, 2018 calendar. I've already got one of these and I can't wait to use it because it's got 12 beautiful images on the back, which are the months.